If you live in Canada and you haven't opened a registered education savings plan for your child, you are leaving a lot of dollars on the table. The Registered Education Savings Plan, or the RESP, will help you save for your child's post-secondary education in a tax-sheltered account, and on top of that, you get free monies from the government just for saving for your child. The government will match your contribution, and this is how it works. You make a contribution of $2,500 to your child's RESP, and the government gives you $500 free. If you miss out on the previous year, you can make a contribution of $5,000 in a year, and the government will give you $1,000 free. You can invest all of these monies, including your contribution and the government's contribution, in a tax-sheltered account, and all the growth that you make will be in that tax-sheltered account as well. The average cost of university education in Canada is between $10,000 to $20,000 per year for each child. So if your child is going to school for 4 years, you are going to have to cough out $80,000 over that 4-year period. However, with an RSP, if you contribute $2,500 for every year for 15 years to maximize the free government money that you receive, by the time your child is 18 years old and ready to go to college, you would have saved over $85,000 for your child's education. And a considerable part of that money would have come from the government matching grants and tax-free growth. Can you see the power of the RESP now? If you don't have one for your child, open one today. If you want to know how you can open one today, send me a DM and I will guide you. I'm going to talk to you in the next one. Make sure you stay tuned for my next video, where I'll be sharing other tips about how you can become financially free in Canada. See you in the next one.